today we have invited 7 organizations that represents university, that represents different dimensions of the societies, NGOs, also includes 2 organizations, that is Govardhan Eco Village and Adamya Chetana, who are tirelessly working to provide midday meal during the school year for the children. So without further ado, we will start this discussion. And to begin with, I am very, very glad to have my friend, Professor Vishnukant Chatpalli. I know him from even before emergency days, and now he is Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Rural Development and Panchayat Raj University. He has long years of teaching experiences. He has served as an administrator in many positions. Today, the institute at the university, which is specifically for the masters and focused in rural development in Panchayat Raj, we are very happy to work with them, and they are also equally happy, I suppose. Our goal is very simple when we work with the universities. We'll keep 4 dimensions in our radar. Can this be beneficial for the students? Can this be beneficial for the faculty? Is it going to bring value to the university? And also, the knowledge and the science, whatever it comes out of the university, is it going to just stay in the journals, are the safe, or it is going to be useful for the rural masses? And if these 4 criteria are met, there is a good partnership for Ahara Kranti. With those few words, I'll be inviting Mananiya Vishnukant Chatpalli ji. Vishnukant ji, floor is yours.
Namaskar. Dr. L.O.G. mentioned whether the university is equally happy with working with Ahara Kranti. I need not mince any words saying that the university is blessed with the international experts like L.O.G. Rao, Praful, Rashmi and others. And today I am also excited to see all the panelists who have been working actively in the propagation and presentation of this important activity. Now, as all of us, मैं इस पावन गुरु पूर्णिमा के अवसर पर ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आदरणीय जैन जी, आदरणीय सुभाष सरकार जी ने जो विषय हम सभी के सामने रखा है, as a university, I always feel that through the university education system or through the education system at large, we can reach out to the people. आज भी अपने देश में गुरु यानी टीचर को लोग ज्यादा मानते हैं, उसको गौरव देते हैं. Now, Ahara Kranti's extension arm in India, in Karnataka, in Gadag, we would like to take this activity ahead. I am directly going to the action point for the reason being, we have already started the dialogue with Dr. L.O.G. and his team as to how we can bring out the malnourishment to the balanced and nutrition aspect. Since this university is specifically working in the area of rural development and Panchayat Raj system. Now, ultimately in our country, the decentralized system, or what we call it as the democracy through the Panchayat Raj system, will help the entire objective of Ahara Kranti to reach out to the people. In Karnataka especially, there is what we call it as Anganwadi workers or Asha workers. These are the people who are having directly contact with the masses. this Anganwadi workers, Asha workers, along with the primary school teachers. We would like to take up the module that is presented by Ahar Kranti, what Rashmi also presented, what LOG is also talking out, that will identify the primary school teachers, Anganwadi teachers, and the Asha workers, and try to make the trainers training program as a pilot project in one taluka or one tehsil of Gadag district. And through that, we can go ahead with the process of reaching people. And as Subhash Sarkarji said that we need to also train the guardians through the teachers, through the students, and with the module of developed by Ahar Kranti for guardian also, we can take up the pilot project. In terms of in the presentation, LOG Rao said that awareness is quite essential. So in terms of awareness, in terms of training, in terms of building the right kind of attitude in the masses, the university with the focus on rural development through the various programs that we are running in Gadag, we will take up this project actively and try to implement. Then we can do the research, analysis, impact, and find out how this process has brought a change. I look forward very confidently and would like to get associated with the activity presented by GIST and take up effectively through the university by signing a MOU. I have already given my consent for signing a MOU and will collaboratively work to bring this change and try to make this entire activity effective, just like Patanjali became an important source of inspiration for yoga. Ahara Kranti should be the inspiration in the field of food and nutrition. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Namaskar.